Alright, welcome back to Snoopy Gaming, I'm guessing? Can't remember. Alright, gonna try and get a base. This is one of my 3 of my favourite games. Alright, I'll just equip my sniper. Where is it? Where are they? Alright. What do I do? Here we go. Taking the alarms. They can't spot. Well, they can't ring, so you get reinforcements. I'll probably just kill them if who cares. I'm lazy. Oh, it's right there. And boom. I'm gonna use my bow. Ah, crap. God damn it. I was trying to use my C4 on that guy, because that's like the only way I know how to kill him. I'm gonna have to redo this. Alright. This game's old, but it looks actually good. I just like it a lot more than Far Cry 3. I mean, Far Cry 4, Far Cry Primal, and all those sorts of games. Because it's just more tropical, feels better. I mean, would you rather be in Indonesia, like snowy mountains and stuff, or would you rather be in, like, a tropical island full of pirates? Like, which one sounds better? Exactly. And Far Cry 5 I'm not too excited for because it's Far Cry 5 and it's just set in America, like North America. I don't know, but it's not like some exotic island like this game. I don't know. I just don't think that would be that interesting. And kill it. And damn it, I was trying. Bam! Boom. Well, while I'm playing this, Battlefield 3 is installed on my computer, so that'll probably come in a little while. Ah, here we go. There. Get through it. Where are they? I can't even see them. Oh. I just want to see where they are. Oh, okay. Knock that. There you go. That's it. Okay, toast her. Okay, I'm gonna find a way to kill these guys. Everything I use C4. This is actually a little harder than I thought it was gonna be. Usually the little harder ones are in like the east or the southeast sort of area. Not so far in this game, well at least in this game. But this one has got actually three heavies. and I don't think I found many of those. Oh, okay. Gotta sneak up on this guy. Actually, maybe I can do stuff. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Take it! Got him! There he is. Alright, we're gonna get him. Go, 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 go. Ha ha ha. Merry Christmas! Motherfucker. Oh god. Now what to do? Took out a base, Jesus Christ. Oh. Maybe this around. I've completed the storyline of this game, by the way. So just quick sell, $40, whatever. Screw it. I'll just fill up an ammo there. I got $90 left. There's my sniper rifles. This one, customize. Extended magazine. Buy. So what do I get rid of? High scope. Oh no, they're all equipped. Cool. Perfect. Whoa. Oh wait, I probably need to buy more ammo for this because it does that. Huh? Huh? Whatever. Yeah. Usually it makes you buy more ammo. Huh. I also love about this game is that you have to actually conserve your ammo. In Far Cry 4 you just pull the trigger whenever you want to. So you actually have to conserve ammo. It's actually sort of hard to find. What to do. I'll probably just be driving for the last minute. I'll teleport here. Can I? Blast shovel. Thank you. Jesus Christ. If you heard something at the start of the video, it's probably accidentally left something on. So I usually have like a time sort of thing. Oh, this place. I remember this place. This place is gonna be hard. I'm just going for the tower then, because I'm probably gonna die. Who cares? As long as I have fun. It'll probably take more than 2 minutes, but that's when the episode's gonna end. Practicing my aim. I can't. It's past the mountain, obviously, but I can still feel I can see it. God damn it. What do I do? How do I get out of this place? Container 7. I can't find my way out. Alright. Yeah, I feel like I need to do something. But yeah, insane. Alright, what to do? I'm stuck in here because I'm too stupid to find a way out. Even though I play this game like a lot. I played this game a lot. Not really anymore. And I'm stuck in here. And these guys are blind. Why are they still here? How can I? Alright, kill that guy. These guys. Alright. Hey, found a way out. Yay, this is the end of the episode. Alright, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye bye.